Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Tata Zest? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment, fuse box. The Tata Zest engine compartment fuse box contains fuses and relays for critical functions like engine control, lighting, and ABS. It ensures protection against overloads and short circuits. Each fuse has a specific rating to safeguard electrical components. Battery-mounted fuse box. The Tata Zest battery-mounted fuse box protects high-current circuits like the alternator, starter motor, and main power supply with heavy-duty fuses. Cabin compartment fuse box. The Tata Zest cabin compartment fuse box controls electrical functions like power windows, infotainment, interior lighting, and the HVAC system. It protects circuits from overloads and short circuits with properly rated fuses. The fuse box cover includes labels for easy identification and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.